what about a make or two? You've had some pretty exciting things you've already shared with us. Talk about a make and something you took from that.
Oh, well, we at one point, we listened to one of our mentors and said, you should really reach out to celebrities to see if they would back you somehow. So we started just kind of like with the book series and the stories, we started reaching out to managers, agents, publicists for hundreds of celebrities that we thought might be a good fit. And, started to get a trickle of responses. This is what we were asking them if they would like to be a Kids Music Day ambassador. We could use their name and their image to help promote Kids Music Day. And I'll tell you, for a while, you weren't getting too many responses, just a few. And then the one thing that we learned along the way was another thing, find mentors and listen to them. One of our favorite sayings now is silence never means no. Meaning, if you're reaching out for something and people aren't writing you back, they're not calling you back, you have no idea what that means. It doesn't mean no. It means they didn't get the message, the email went in their spam, they were busy when they read it, they liked the idea, got to think about it, they were on vacation, whatever it is. Until they actually write you back and tell you something, you have no idea what they're thinking. Don't answer for them in your own head. We had been reaching out to a particular artist for a number of years, initially from stories for the book series, and had never heard from any of their people anything. Silence for like 2 3 years. And then but we just kept reaching out for different things to the same people, same contacts for this one artist. And then one morning we got an email back that says Julie Andrews would love to be a Kids Music Day ambassador.
Wow.
And we were like, fall off our chair, like, oh my God, that's incredible. And that started the flood of many other artists saying yes. If Julie Andrews has signed up for this, we're in. We're good. So the make is to silence never means no, and to just keep trying, keep asking. Try a different approach. If the front door doesn't work, try the side door. If that doesn't work, just start digging a tunnel.
That's incredible. What an incredible story of just sticking with it. And you're right. Her people never wrote back and they never said no. For whatever reason, maybe, like you said, who knows? It just wasn't the right time or.
Yep, timing, opportunity was different. You just never know. Don't put ideas in your head that these people aren't interested in at all in what you're doing. You just never know. It takes time to build these relationships, and really that's what it's all about. Is slowly is building relationships, and seeing where you can help people, and then they can in turn help you.
And now having really an iconic personality and celebrity to help endorse, specifically, especially for children and music. I mean, I don't know if you could have landed a more ideal person than her to be a part of this.
No, I can think of none. And her daughter have been, releasing children's books over the last several years. So she's very connected in with children's causes and children's music and, helping children. So it was kind of ideal when we just came to her with just the right thing, you know, her people put it through to her and then she said yes.
Yeah.